Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be DIY number 4, and what I've done is I went and I cut these dominoes, these little wooden dominoes. I don't think they're real wood, but they pretend to be wood and they kind of look like wood, but they're not wood. They're like a little, I don't know what kind of material it is, but it's these little dominoes here that you get from the Dollar Tree. And what I've done is I've cut them down and I have created words out of them, so I'm going to make like little Scrabble pieces with them. So you guys stay tuned for the DIY. Okay, so what I did was I took this in my basement and I spray painted it gray, and I took a dry paintbrush, and I just brushed the strokes through it to make it look like I actually painted it with a brush, but I didn't. So I just drug the brush through the paint like this as it was wet, and it's still wet. And these are the canvases that you get from the Dollar Tree, and all I did was glue them together like this. So I'm going to let these dry, and then when they dry, I'll be back. When this dries, I'll be back. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I got everything laid out of how I want it to look. So this is basically how it's going to look. I printed up my letters. So now I'm going to put it together. Take all of this off here. And I'm going to end up painting these. So I'm going to set them to the side. And then I got all my letters here. All my words, I mean. So now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and glue everything down. But I am going to use this wood glue here. And I want everything centered on this line. So that's where I'm going to start my Christmas at. So Christmas is going to be right here in the middle. And I want to use a straight edge so that I can make sure that I got everything straight. So this is how I'm going to glue it down. Like I said, I want it straight on this line right here. So let me put that down on the edge. Go down here close to 1. So I can have a little bit at the top and a little bit at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to start gluing them down. Like I said, I'm just going to use wood glue. This wood glue is pretty good. It doesn't take long to dry. So, but once I get everything with glue on it, then I'll straighten up my line and make sure my line is straight. Okay, so I got it leveled here at the bottom. So I'm going to put those down like that. And I didn't, I'll show you guys. So what I did was, let me get my line straight here. So what I did was, on here, smash these down here. what I did was I just took my miter shears here. I just took these miter shears and I just cut these in half like this. And I just snapped those in half. And then when I snapped them in half, they have little pieces that look like this. And so they have like a square and a round. And I just left them like that. I just put them all going in one direction. So they're going to be down on my board and all in one direction going down like that. So I have my first word here. And then I have my next word that's going to be up here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my ruler here. And I'm going to set my ruler. I have another ruler that I'm going to use. Okay, so this is going to be Christ. C-H-R-I-S-T. C-H-R-I-S-T. Okay. I'm going to have to go get my phone because I got everything wrote down. I took a picture of it, and then I'm trying to remember where every word go. So this is Christ right here. So I'm going to go ahead on and glue it down. And I have another ruler right here, and I'm going to line it up right here so that I can make sure, turn it up the other way. I'm going to line it up right here so that I can make sure that it's straight. So I have C, H, R, I, S, T. Okay, so that's gonna go just like that. And again, I'm just making sure that they're all straight, pressing them down. Okay, and so toy is gonna go up underneath it. Just T O, toys, Y. Okay, so this is toys right here. Oops. And I'm kind of just eyeballing this one here. And I believe it's straight enough. So I'm going to put the other one on here. Okay, so toys is right here, and I believe this was Mary. Go right here. M, E, R, R, Y. Okay, Mary go right here. And I believe Santa was here at the bottom. So that's S. A. N. T, Okay, so Santa was here. And okay, so this is toy, so Noel go right here. So N O E and L. Okay, and let me see what was on this side right here. I believe I had CHRI. I had believe right here. BELIEVE. Okay, so this is believe. So let me go ahead on and put these down. And straighten these up. Okay, so this is believe right here. And then I have, I think I have birth right here. B I R T. I believe I got them all. Let's see. So I missed some, got some extra letters here, so something's not spelled right. B-E, oh, okay. BELIEVE BIRTHCHRISTNEOL toys TOY. Ooh, I got too many letters here. TOYS. So it's too many right there. I know I got too many letters left, so something's not right. So let's see what it is. Make sure I got everything spelled. Okay, so I got Christmas, Christ, birth. Oh, I got, no, it goes over here. I got gift, birth. I don't have a T on here. Oh, yes, I do. BIRTH. Okay, so gift go right here. So GIR. GIF. Put this one here. Use it like that. F. F. T. I think that's all. Alright guys, I'm going to let this dry. And then once it's dry, I'm going to put my letters on. And then I will be back. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back, guys. I got everything on there. I got all the letters put on there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate it. And I painted everything. So I have a little wreath here. I have a little Christmas tree. And I'm going to put a little glue on here. And I painted a little stem to put on the bottom here. So that's my tree. And then I have my little snowflake here. And put that right there. And let me get a glue stick. Then I have my little reindeer. Put a little glue on this. And then I have a little wreath. Put a little glue on that. So now I want to find something a little, let me see. I have a little bow here. A little red bow I'm going to put on top of my tree. Just to put a little red on this side of the, put a little red on this side. And then I'm going to put a little bead on top of that. I don't have a star or anything that's small, so I'm just going to stick a little bead right there in the middle of it. And here we are with my, I don't know what to call this, but here we are with my, I guess, Scrabble words for Christmas. This is what it looks like. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share my videos. And you guys have a good night. Thanks for watching.